Hey, I know. Let's take these out. Like, actually down a river. Want to? That sounds fun to me. Let's go. Hi, I'm Jeff, and I'm legally blind. But I'm not gonna let that stop me. All right, looking good. Loaded in the truck already. Me and Randy are gonna take a trip down the river. Traveling so light, we didn't even bring the foam pads. Hold up. All right, I got it. I got it. Go ahead.
Really nice spot right here. Just go ahead and drop your nose in, man. I'm good.
Let's see, I'll hand you your paddle if you want. All right. All right, my turn. Neither one of us have been down this river. New to both of us. Yeah? Yeah, I'm gonna take my sandals off, I think. Probably step in the water. Cool, cool. Yeah, I'm excited. So this river trip, this is new to both of us. All right, cool, low bridge here. Right from the get-go. Yeah. Cool! Good echo.
Checking out my new hood. Should be cool.
Yeah.
You gotta figure.
Having fun already. I mean, this is what I thought it would be. Trees on both sides. It's not really windy down here. Yeah, that'd be cool if you guys got kayaks too.
Well, not only that, but we can find a really cool places to go off and go further to go from
Yeah, it's really windy. Like we've done some hard lefts and hard rights. A lot of bends in this river.
Like
8 to 10 inches?
probably 18 inches.
Oh, 18. Oh yeah, that'll hit right there. But it's nice to have this in your backyard.
Yeah, just bring it at your disposal.
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, what did it take us? A whole like 5 minutes of your mom's slow driving to get here? Yeah, this looks like a good fishing spot right here.
This bend?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Is it right off to your other side over there? Dude, there's some bend. That's like a hole.
Yeah, right up over here.
You're sitting right now while you're coming to the end of it. There's like a 4 or 5 foot hole right there.
Yeah, you know there's some hiding in there. What's that?
Really
Tight
tight spot right
spot?
there. Super tight.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So we're gonna have to
Yep, I got you right now.
get on the left and the right.
Yep. Yeah, good thing you were in front there, because I probably would have smashed into it
Well, let me stay out front.
if I was in front. Yeah, that's the kind of crap that's hard for me to see that's coming up when there's shadows and all that. A lawn chair in the water? Well, you know. Good place to relax, I guess. A lawn chair in the water. That's hilarious. Wow. Can you actually make it to the lake from here in that? I mean, I guess you'd have to be, otherwise it wouldn't be in the river, but... Yeah, it's gotta be. There can't be any obstructions from here on out, I'm thinking. I wonder how the fishing is right here by their boats. You see bluegill? Yeah? How big? Tiny ones? Bait fish? Heard something interesting about Michigan the other day. Yeah, you're never 6 miles away from a lake, and you're never more than 85 miles away from one of the Great Lakes. It's a lot of water. Video is about to go viral if we get attacked by swans. Yeah, they're making noises.
He's grunting a little bit.
They're slightly ticked.
He went back to eating, the boy did.
Yeah. The other one's slightly ticked.
The two ladies don't care. The boys do care about it. That's a big bird. You ever been in a fight with one of those?
No.
They're pretty persistent. They don't give up.
That's what I hear. I hear they can be pretty aggressive.
I killed one when I was 13.
I think you told me about that.
I whacked him with an oar.
Yeah. You say you paddled across a lake one time on a seat cushion? Not a boat. That's awesome. That's some dedication right there. That was just to go fishing? There's a what? Oh yeah? A boat tied to the street sign.
Yeah, like the anchor.
That's pretty funny. Yeah, I'm sure there's some questionable legality there.
Yeah. Street sign's all fenced too. Like, maybe they had a...
Coming up on the lake? What's that? Yeah, I'm guessing that once we hit the lake, there's going to be a lot more waves. It's a windy day today. Real calm out here on the river, though. I mean, you know, trees on the banks and stuff stopping the wind, but... A mansion right there on the river?
Yeah, it's right there in the river, right there at the mouth of the lake.
Oh man, there's got to be a ton of fish right here. Yeah. Got it. Oh, I think I just went through a freaking spider web. Yeah, it's like wrapped around my head. That sucks. I hate spiders. Cool. That's a state park over there? This is a sweet lake right here. Oh, I know this is just like a small little bit of it, but I really like it right here. It's like nice and peaceful. Yeah, this is going quite a ways out of the mouth of that river against the wind. Man. Oh my gosh. Go back. Yeah, I swear, man, if we were going the other direction, we're gonna bring a sheet. You hold one, you hold one end, I'll hold the other end. We just have a big old set, make a wake. Yeah, we could probably have somebody wakeboarding behind us if we do that. Oh my goodness. That is windy. I didn't know we could have typhoons in Michigan. Yeah, I know, right? It's got to be at least a mile. We got to check a map. Against the wind. That'd be nice if it stays like this for the rest of the way. Never mind, the wind didn't listen to me. We're gonna be like He-Man tomorrow, though. Almost there.
We're gonna get one of those, Jeff. Couple of them.
Well, we made it back to the boat launch here, and now we have to just walk the kayaks home. What's it, like half a mile?
Oh, yeah, at least.
We're not done yet.
Can I try Nutella apple that I made?
Nutella and apple. Isn't Nutella that like chocolatey stuff?
Yeah.
With apple?
Yeah.
That sounds weird. Yeah, I'll try a bite. Oh, dude. I'll bite and she stuffed it in my face.
Wow.
It's your kids.
I know, I got nothing.
Where are you gonna drive to, dude? Oh, that's right. Car is not complete without a cowboy hat. Yup.
Fall out.
No drinking and driving, son.
Where's your bag?
What?
Where's your bag?
Where's my bag?
Yeah.
It's behind me. Why? How do you not know where my back is?
Where'd I get my bag?
Because my eyes are closed.
Oh, dude, there's a stair there. Gotta warn a dude before you jump on his back, and there's a stair directly behind him.
There goes.
Wow, that is dizzy. Gotta unwind. Yeah, so as if kayaking down the river and then kayaking against the wind on a lake during monsoon season and then having to carry the kayaks back a half a mile to the house wasn't enough. I then have to come back and deal with Raylan and her unlimited amount of energy. But you know what? I wouldn't have it any other way. Thanks for watching today's video. Hope you had fun. When life gets you down, stand up and overcome.